Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Levator Ani. Levator Ani. In the Levator Ani, the pelvis is separated from the perineum by the levator ani muscles, and this is also called as pelvic diaphragm. There are two main parts of pelvic diaphragm called as pubococcygeus and iliococcygeus. Ischio-coccygeus muscle is not a part of levator ani. Part of pubococcygeus. The pubococcygeus which is present near the rectum is puborectalis or puboanalis. The part of pubococcygeus present near the vagina is pubovaginalis. The part of pubococcygeus present near the urethra is pubourethralis. So in the levator ani, we have two muscles, pubococcygeus and iliococcygeus. This will be iliococcygeus. Okay. Pubococcygeus has three parts. The pubis, the muscle fibers will run from pubis to the coccyx. So that is pubococcygeus. So while the muscles are running from the pubis to the coccyx like this, whenever there is in the around the urethra, the muscles will also be present around the urethra, and those part of pubococcygeus muscle which is present around the urethra is pubourethralis. The part of pubococcygeus muscle around the vagina is pubovaginalis. The part of pubococcygeus muscle around the rectum is puborectalis.
thank you and thank you for watching.